G'day. We're in the house of Simis and Pete. Just gonna see what's got in the fridge. Let's have a look. We've got plenty of cider. Plenty of cider. Got some eggs. We got milk. We've got some butter. Shall we have a talk to the butter? Let's talk to the butter. Hello, butter. Hello. My name's Mr. Lurpak. Why did you get me out of the fridge? Have you got some bread?
I'm melting.
It looks like I'm melting. I'm a butter face, and I'm melting. A little milk face. A little milk face. Look at me. I'm very, very angry.
That's it. Bye bye.